Well, I'll tell you what, while we're thinking about it, let's just go ahead and bring our first guest on, because he's all about big data.
All right, Eric. Next up, we have Alpert Ouzmazlir from BASSG. And Alpert's a very interesting, very talented guy, very knowledgeable, and a recognized name and leader within the building automation industry. Albert, welcome to the show. Albert, what is BASSG? And tell our listeners what BASSG does.
We are an innovator in BAS technologies, focused in workflow enhancement, visualization tools, and analytics engine called SkySpark. We also distribute Intercase, Solodyne, and SkySpark products.
That's great, Albert. Well, tell us a little bit about the technologies BASSG uses.
We leverage Niagara framework in Intercase product line, and inside the Niagara framework there's something called presentation XML. And we leverage that presentation XML, the PX files. We render that in Flash. And the product that is called is Energy DVR. Can basically render any graphic inside the PX file and play back its own state from historical data. We also use a program called SkySpark from SkyFoundry. Inside that application, what we have done is a mashup tool from Energy DVR with Haystack protocol. It can grab the data from SkySpark to the DVR application. We also have written a program called Project Builder Plus. It's a desktop tool for SkySpark database where you can create your database offline. As well as that, we have written a templating tool called BAS Template Mavi, which leverages the PX files again. And we can automatically create the SkySpark database from the graphical interface. We have all the haystack modeling done inside the presentation XML. The last application that we have is Sparko. It's a plugin within SkySpark. It leverages the sparks it sends it out to a ticket management program called Kayako. And inside that you can easily manage the sparks and the processes to fix your equipment. So we are the Web 2.0 mashup solution for leveraging new technologies, simplifying the processes, having a value on your applications, and saving time and money.
All right, Albert. So it's a great story. Good stuff. Where do you see BASSG going in the future?
We will focus in Energy 2.0 web mashup solutions to simplify engineering and the processes of a building's life cycle. And we will focus on increasing the machine-to-machine and human-to-machine processes while lowering the cost of implementation. That's where we see BAS services and graphics going in the future.
All right. Thank you very much, Albert.
Yeah, thanks, Albert. So, Kenny, Albert, we met him, I think, the first time at not Realcomm, Ibicon, and we met him actually, we saw him there as well, but we also met him at
in Haystack?
In Haystack, down in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and, really innovative guy, does some really good stuff, Kenny. So keep your eyes posted for Albert and his cool stuff. And Albert, thanks again for being on the show. All right, Kenny, what do we have up next?